Some days are just made for cheese sandwiches or cheese water. But maybe today you should just stay home and sleep. Alright, hey everybody, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got one that came out of a Zen Pop box. Go to zenpop.jp, use the coupon code the Ramen Raider for a discount. This is Myojo Charumera Donburi Myojo Tonkotsu. Yeah. And we're gonna cook it. Loose bits, sachets, noodly block. And that one's gonna go for 3. Why am I grabbing a spoon? It's been an interesting morning. It's been an interesting weekend. Let me put it that way. So let's get the timer set. So we've had a weather event. I think that's the easiest way to put it. It is gusty, windy, crazy right now. Our power went out and it just came back on. So I'm like mad dashing it to do these reviews really quick, these videos, in hopes that the power stays on. And yeah. But you might remember, if you watch regularly, my daughter Mimi was sick last week. And but she got better. She got feeling better. Got COVID tested negative, and went back to school on Friday. And we had a good day on Saturday. And then on Sunday, I went out walking in the crazy windstorm, and that was fun. Got rained on, but that's okay. I've got this really neat rain suit that like weighs nothing, and it totally protects you completely from getting wet. Anyways, well, I get back and Mimi's doing her thing, being a wackadoodle, and she was not doing good all of a sudden. Barfo. And that's no fun. And so all day yesterday it was cleaning up after the poor little girl and her sickness. And she's doing better today, but she had a fever and she was really, really sick. So no school for Mimi today. That's a bummer. But hopefully better tomorrow. But right now it is gusty, windy. It's gonna get windier. So we'll see. But yeah, there was a telephone pole that snapped like right here, or a power pole rather. Probably had phone lines on it too. But it went plunk. And it was hanging like that since like, God, I think like 8 or 9 a.m. yesterday, and they didn't do anything about it. And then today we got some gusty winds, and that was about that for that thing. So, but yeah, had a nice little power outage. What time is it now? It's yeah, it's 11:30 now. So we had about a 2-hour power outage. That was fun. Yeah, I like it when the power goes out. I actually manage a group that I started called Kenmore Power Outages. And it used to be, we would have power outages here constantly. And a lot of the time it was just like, why are we having a power outage? Like, oh, well, here comes the sun. So the rain's gonna go away, and then it's just gonna push in this big next system of gusty stuff. So hopefully we will retain power. We'll know real quick if the power goes out. If all the lights go out, yeah. But this is on battery, so, or it's plugged in right now to charge it, but it has a battery in it, so. And so does the speaker, so all you're gonna see is the lights go out. But there's the powder base. And this is Myojo oil. And what is that? Well, I'll tell you. Myojo oil, it's burnt garlic oil. So it sounds good to me. I know I've had it before, but it's been a while. It's not black garlic oil though. That's something different, I'm pretty sure. Although it's got the little drip drip look thing on here, doesn't it? No, I guess not. But here we go. Let's drip, drip, drip that into there. Drippity, drippity. And in the images on the package, you see this little sea of little dots dancing around in the broth that are like black. And that's what this stuff will be. So let's stir it around. There's really not much of it. It must be pungent. Strong stuff. Alright. Here's our noodle. Let's give it a try. Cheers. Can definitely taste the garlic in there. That is good. Yes. There you go. That's yummy. Yeah. Yes, I enjoy that. So I got these 3 bowls. We'll use this one. I got these bowls. A guy sent these for me to review, and I almost feel like obligated to haul them out every once in a while. I liked the idea of them at first. It's like sweet. It's a solid color, and they work really well. I mean, there's nothing wrong with them if you're just looking for a bowl. But for me, who is also looking for photography, this has issues. What issues? Well, I'll tell you. The issue is it's very reflective. They don't clean up all that great. I mean, oh, actually, this is just kind of dusty. Oh well, too late. This wasn't even the one on top. What's up with that? Anyways, we got some stuff to slap on here. Homemade chashu. God, doesn't that look good? Oh boy, oh boy. And then right before the power went out, I used the holy slicer and sliced up some spring onion, and then immediately thereafter, zzz, yep. I was like, no. Thankfully, green onions really are not expensive, but I figured the power will go on at some point, but got other stuff I want to do today, you know? I was gonna make eggs too, but it's way too late in the game for that. And little shichimi right there. That's not a little. Oh, and I have a slice of Naruto maki. Man, I sliced this stuff so thin. I used holy slicer for that too. I'll put you right there. And it likes to curl up, which is, it kind of almost like squid, it likes to curl up. not a helpful thing. Let's see. How about there? Okay. Tunes. Alright, cool. Thanks for watching. The next one we got is this. This was found over at Asian Family Market or Asian Food Center. I can't really remember what it's called. It's on 130th and Aurora. This is from China. This is classic flavor rice noodle. We'll see how it goes. I'll catch. Oh, and it's a cold noodle too. See you tomorrow.